Hey YouTube, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. In today's tutorial, actually it's not really going to be a tutorial, it's going to be a product review of an item for my backyard, actually my entire yard. If you've been following my channel, you know I just bought my very first house a little over a month. It's been like a little over a month now, so I'm pretty excited about that. I know I'm gonna have to do yard maintenance. This is new for me. I'm actually kind of excited to do it. I know that's weird. Check in with me next year. My tune will probably have changed, but for right now, I'm pretty excited about it. So fall cleanup is upon us here in New England. I live in New Hampshire, and I've got a lot of leaves stacking up in the backyard. My yard measures 0.37 acres, so it's big, but it's manageable. So I want to do this myself. I want to clean up my leaves, but I got to do it on a budget. So I picked up a leaf blower, a corded one, and I'm going to do a review of this baby. TORO, is that how you pronounce the brand? TORO PowerJet F700. Why did they give them these just like crazy names? The PowerJet F700. That's what it makes it sound like. Anyways, lots of good reviews on this baby. First of all, the cost of this. This runs a little over $50. Not bad, not too shabby. I want to do this on a budget. And it says it blows up to 140 miles per hour. I mean, that's kind of crazy. But I got it because it was cheap, was the number1 thing. And I did my research. A lot of great reviews. So on Amazon, it's got like a 4.8. On Ace Hardware, it's in the high 4s, like a 4.7. And everybody says for it being a small blower and for being cheap, it really packs a punch. So I'm gonna give this thing a whirl in my backyard. I'm gonna give my review on it and see how it handles a first-time homeowner cleaning up her yard. Okay, little safety tidbit. I'm gonna put in some earplugs before I operate this sucker. Now I might keep these in until both of my children reach the age of 18. Oh yeah. Every mom, get yourself some of these. Okay everyone, this is what the leaf blower looks like out of the box. Very simple setup. I just had to attach this tube here to the main part of it. Looks like there's just like one little switch up here where you can increase and decrease the fan output, the blower, and that looks like about it. And then I'm just gonna plug it in to my extension cord and we should be good to go. Okay, I just want to give you guys an idea of the size of my backyard here. So this is everything. Hey, there's the trampoline I just put together. And then I have an entire front yard area as well. So, I've got a lot of leaf blowing to do. Let's get to turn this baby on. You ready? Woo.
Amazing. Oh, this is amazing.
I think, Madeline, I should take it to the stink bugs.
Oh yeah.
There it is, it's on.
Woohoo! All right, take 2.
Stink bugs, right, Madeline?
Yep.
Get them right there. See them over the water? There you go. Ready? Get these. blower so far. So what I'm doing is I'm blowing the leaves in little sections and then raking them together and then putting them in a garbage barrel. And that's gonna be my little system. I hope it works. My teenagers could just do it the way that it's supposed to be done. See guys, it's so easy. Even a 16-year-old can figure it out. As long as he doesn't blow his sister away.
See what I'm saying?
It's not gonna bite you. He thinks he's in a James Bond movie. We got 4 bags of leaves bagged up so far. Madeline has been a big help. She's taking a little break. Luke went inside because, well, he's done blowing the leaves. He left me a pile here to rake up, so I'm gonna be doing that. And I got my first fall cleanup blister. I'm actually pretty proud of this. I'm gonna keep going here. Hey everyone, I just finished with my first ever fall cleanup and I must say, I enjoyed it. Wasn't too bad, but I can see if you have to do it over and over and over again, you might get sick of it. So it's important to have the right tool. So I'm gonna give my final review here on this leaf blower. It's the TORO PowerJet F700. Did I get it, Maddie? I got it. It's a long one. I really like it. I think it was lightweight. I was able to carry it quite easily. Biscuit. Come here, you gotta go this way. This way. I know some other ones, like the gas-powered ones, you can put them on your back and you can look like a Ghostbuster while you're going at it. I was trying to go the cheapest route. And this, for a little over $50, it gets the job done. We filled 6 yard waste bags. They're like 32-gallon bags. So we filled 6 of those. So it took me a couple hours, but it's done. And I know I'm gonna have to do it again and again, but it's not that bad. So like I said, my method was I would blow them into small piles and then rake them and then lift them up and then put them in that big trash barrel, and that worked for us. So will I move to something more efficient down the line? Maybe, if my budget allows me to. But overall, I think this is a great leaf blower for the money. Get your hands on it. It's got fabulous reviews online, and I'll provide a link below here where you can order it on Amazon. And Biscuit. Can you tell I was outside for a while? He's like, Mr. What, did you miss me? Did you miss me, boo-boos? Okay, you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. That button is in the lower right-hand corner. It's a red button. You can't miss it. And if you already have been following me, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. I think I'm up to like 5,200 subscribers, and I keep growing, and I'm just amazed and very grateful. So thank you very much. And until next time, you guys, we'll say toodaloo. Right, Biscuit? Toodaloo. Bye.